What is one super tip to getting started investing in real estate?
Okay, so I've thought about this. Here's my tip. Do not get paralysis by analysis. In other words, you listen to a podcast, we read people's books, we follow their Twitter feeds. All this information sounds great. And then when we go to do it, we feel overwhelmed because there's just so much to think about. My advice is just to get started extremely simply. And you don't follow too many experts, don't listen to too much noise, but start simple. I think you invest in single family homes.
Yes.
Right? Okay, so single family homes. Another person like Robert Kiyosaki or Grant Cardone, oh no, you got to do apartment buildings. 25 units minimum, and you have to syndicate. It's like, okay, maybe that's for them. Single family homes are a beautiful way to get in the game. For me, I tell my clients, just buy a piece of land. You don't have to go any further than that. Spend a little money, buy a little piece of land in Belize. You don't even have to figure out how you're going to use it yet. I mean, if 5 years down the road you want to build, 15 years down the road it becomes something. But just do something to get started. And that even applies to your listeners who don't know quite which market to invest in yet. Just buy the house next door when it goes up for sale. And if it makes you a couple $100 a month, imagine if you own that for a year or two, what you'll learn. I mean, you learn how to deal with renters. You learn about things. If it doesn't work out, sell it and do something else. But at least take the first step, do something small, and it'll feel so good that you actually started to become an investor.